Hello guys, I'm back with a next video and with the next topic we will study now, that is simplification. Simplification, a lot of terms and many operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we have to solve it and conclude in a single answer. So what is simplification? The definition is given here. You can see this is the definition. Understand? A process which works on multiple operations such as additions, subtraction, division, multiplication, and the the division. है ना? And in this process there are four kinds of brackets. The first one is line bracket, and it is very small one. Firstly we will solve it, then the next one is small bracket, next we will solve it, and the third one is middle bracket, and after that we will solve it, and lastly we will solve the big bracket. And these are the sign of these bracket, and it works on a important rule that is called BODMAS. BODMAS means firstly we will break the bracket, multiply of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Firstly we will solve the bracket, then we do division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Understand? So now this is your first example for simplification. You are seeing here that 25 plus 40 division minus 4, and according to Bosmer, firstly BOD, then we will remove the bracket, then 40 is divided by 4, then 4 divided by 40, 4 10 ja 40, then you can see here, and because 4 is in minus means negative, then answer will be also negative, and there is plus, and inside the bracket is minus, then plus and minus. In my first lecture I explained to you, plus multiplied by minus gives minus. So the question will be this form: 25 minus 10. Understand? Then what will it give? It will give 15. 25 minus 10. Understand? There is second example for you. Simplify. This is a bigger one, and you are seeing here that all type of brackets are used, and you have to solve firstly the line bracket, that is here. You are seeing 4 minus 7, then 4 minus 7 we will solve, then and the sign before the 4 is not entered inside the bracket, so then we will subtract from 7 to 4, and 7 is minus number, so 7 minus 4 that gives 3. Understand? And 7 is bigger, so we will put the sign of minus. And now we will solve the small bracket. Small bracket means this one: 5 minus in bracket minus 3, then minus multiplied by minus, it will give plus 3. Understand? So 5 3 8. And now we will solve the middle bracket. It's minus 16 and minus 8, and you are seeing minus 16 and minus both are in minus, then same sign add, but the sign will be the sign of number, and here sign of number is minus, so it will add 16 plus 8 means 24, but the sign will be minus, it will give minus 24. Understand? And now then we are seeing minus in main process, this is here, and minus inside the bracket, so minus minus that will give plus. Understand? That will give plus, and you can simply add 18 plus 24, that will give 42, and after that there is minus, and so number is also minus, and same sign what, same sign plus, but sign किसका होगा? Sign is in which the number is giving both number are in the minus, so we'll put the firstly the minus, and then we add 8 to 10 0, 4 4 8 1 9, that is 90. Understand this simplification? There is another example is given for you. 56 divided 12 minus 4 minus 6, this is in line bracket. So firstly we will solve it, this one and this one. Firstly we will solve these two brackets. Then 6 minus 4, 6 is bigger, so we will put the sign of 6 before it. 6 minus 4, it will give minus 2, this one. And 8 minus 2 we will solve, to then 10 minus 8, 10 is bigger, so we minus sign will come in before the number. And minus it will give positive plus 14, and there is minus 2 remain. And according to rule, firstly we will solve the divide, then we will divide 14 in 56. 14 4 ja 56, it will give 4. And now plus or minus, it will give minus, means 4 minus 2, it will give 2. This is the answer. Understand? Next example, I am giving you the lot more and more example because you can understand the concept of simplification, because you have to solve it. If you not understand, you can ask me. Understand? So you can see here that 118 minus in bracket bigger bracket 121 divided by 11 multiplied by 11 minus in bracket minus 4 minus bracket middle bracket 3 minus 9 minus 2. So firstly we will solve this one and multiply this one. Understand? 11 ja 121, and 9 minus 2, it will give 7, and 9 minus 2 7, and before the 9 there is minus, so it will in minus format. Understand? And now 121 divided by 121, it will give 1. Understand? And the now you can see here minus 4 minus and minus 4, it will give plus 4. And here also minus and minus 4, it will give also plus 4. Then all together 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9. Understand? And you are seeing here before 9 before minus 118 minus 9, it will give 109. Understand? So we will go to the next slide. This is, what is this? You can easily recognize this is your homework. Understand? You have to solve these 8 questions and this code. Understand? So this is enough for today. Bye.